What does the lion say? So we're currently at Rockwell for the Spectrum Fair because Coucou is actually part of it. It's our first ever pop-up, so we're currently setting up early in the morning. Sienna is
early in the morning?
not so early in the morning, that is fake news, but Sienna is already taking her nap, so we're just gonna set up right here. It's a really easy setup. I got these racks from Lazada and they got shipped over super duper quick. They look pretty sturdy, and then we have this backdrop that we used to use for Curio Cavern, and we just repainted it, and now I'm just gonna put the sticker so that people will know we're Coucou.
Yes.
Okay, so we just finished setting up. We're still gonna put a few signages that I feel that we need to better explain the bag. So we're gonna go look for supplies in the mall. It's so sad though because it suddenly rained so hard, as in bagyo level. So we've now printed these, and we're gonna go set it up real good at our pop-up.
Matching.
Matches me. Yoni has been calling me a stabilo today. But yeah, then after that, I'm gonna go back to the house, our current house. I haven't told you guys yet, but we moved! Surprise, surprise! I'll show you guys the house in a bit. I'll just fix this first.
Sienna hasn't lived in one place more than 4 months in her life. Same nomad life continues.
Cute! Okay, so we're now home. Home looks a little bit different. Hi! Hi! Who's not taking her afternoon nap? And also just walking around the entire afternoon. But anyway, yeah, home looks very different right now. We've moved out of my parents' home and we're now renting a place while we wait for Kokoro House to be completed. We're just a few months away from moving into Kokoro House. Yes, I'm claiming it. Our target move-in is around September, no hubs? No, it's actually, we feel like the house will actually be done already by August. But because we're following Chinese traditions, we can't move in by Ghost Month. So then we'll be moving in around September. So it's just a few months. We'll be living in this temporary home. I've been so busy this past few days because that's what we've been doing. We've been preparing for the pop-up. Yes. And then I had a shoot pub before we moved. So I had a shoot. We were preparing for the pop-up. We were preparing for the new release of Coucou, which you'll probably already know by now. It won't be available online yet. We did like a limited offer at the pop-up. But anyway, I digress. So yeah, we've been very busy. We packed everything and then we moved here. We have some stuff still left at my parents' home. We'll probably still go home like during the weekends or every now and then. So we have some stuff there. But most of the stuff that we need are already here. And we've unpacked our furniture again, which we initially put inside storage already. They're all back here just so it still feels like a home even though it's a temporary home. There's some stuff here from the landlord though, like Yoni and my bed. We didn't really have to bring our own bed anymore. There was a bed there, and then there's also a single bed here just in case my sister wants to sleep over with us because you know that she's very attached to Sienna. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick tour. It's gonna be really quick lang naman because it's a small space. So this is the living and dining room situation. We tried our best to not bring so much furniture. This is really just the furniture we need. So I couldn't design this the way I want to design it because Yanni kept telling me we really don't want to be bringing so much stuff because we're also going to be moving out. So this is a temporary home, no need to bring all our furniture. So just really the essentials. So we have, of course, an essential dining table. So we have the dining room right here, mirror and light is it already came with the place. We have a really small kitchen, which as you can see, it's kind of struggling. We are trying our best trying to make everything fit. But yeah, I have this like makeshift storage for some of our like produce. And then I'm still gonna buy some organization stuff so that everything will fit into the cupboards. And we have some luggage still there that we are going to fix. But I moved all our plants, most of our plants actually, because I didn't trust that they will live at my parents' home because there's no plant mama like me there who will guard all these plants. So we moved them here. So there's a nice little section over here that's hidden because Yanni and I hate seeing these like phones and routers. So at least with the plants, that's all covered up. I just brought mga easy to move furniture. So I brought my stools still. The dogs stay here at night. So we have that there. So we're keeping this clear because we're still waiting for our TV to come. So we're gonna put that there. This is Sienna's play area in the living room. So no carpets, no anything. Again, very simple. So we have here our old couch that you're very familiar with at the old Coucou house. This is currently Yanni's office space. That's where he's printing our waybills for Coucou. So yeah, very simple, very quick. And then we have the maid's room over there. So we have Chinanetsky and Tess moving with us because we are one big family. And then over here, we have Sienna Bug and her dad playing. What does the lion say? Yeah, what does the cow say? Moo, yeah. He's growing up so much now. Anyway, so we have our bed here. We don't have a TV here, which is why I have my projector over there. So we just projected here. And then we brought some of our drawers as well so we get more storage space. So you see my shoes there, my accessories. And then we have here my makeup table, which you are also already familiar with at Coucou house. So I have them over there. And then the big question is, how did I make my clothes fit? Well, they do fit. I brought a lot of my clothes here so that I don't have to go to and from. I put them all here and here as well, and then my shoes are over there. And then I have also some of the usual bags that I use are right over there. I didn't bring all of them, of course, my bags and shoes. I just brought a few, the ones that I'm currently using on rotation. And then you might be wondering, where is Yanni's stuff?
Well, due to the limitations of space, my stuff didn't fit in this room. So my stuff got outsourced to the other room where I have to go always to dress up. I was suggested to buy a bathrobe so it's easier. So that was the solution of the señorita. I haven't done it yet.
But I did make sure that he'll have space here. So he has his shirts and home shirts here. And his underwear, his socks, his neckties and everything. So we have our bathroom over here. Pretty sizable. And then I brought this mirror with me because I totally forgot that there are full-length mirrors already. I thought there wasn't any. So I brought this one because out of all our mirrors, this is the lightest one. And then I have my storage boxes also here. So everything looks really organized. And then, since as I've mentioned, we have all our stuff packed up in the warehouse. We couldn't get our kitchen stuff. So buti na lang, Chef's Classic has all these stuff. So we're on one-stop shop already for everything that I need in the kitchen. I got all these different baking pans because I am a baker now for Sienna. I bake her like muffins and breakfast cakes and stuff like that. So they have like really good deals on their online store where sobrang tamad ko kasi to pick everything individually, and they have these sets already that has everything. And then I got these like measuring cups, measuring spoons, and like cheese grater. All these different pots and pans, which we can still use in Coucou house because everything there is going to be induction. And these are good for both gas and induction. Really good size as well for our small family. And I got this set as well because they have all these different cooking utensils already, and this knife set, which is really pretty. So yeah, it's super complete na niya, and then even came with scissors already. So convenient. So I'm supposed to head to Bello, but I needed to unbox this first. I got a bunch of cute stuff for Sienna from Bambini Fashion, and I will show them to you really quickly. CIA, of course, excited na nauna na siya. I have a discount code as well if you guys are interested. I'm gonna put them in the link below, but I'm also gonna put here my discount code. So Bambini Fashion is an international website filled with so many good brands for kids, like 350 plus brands. And they have like Marc Jacobs, Stella McCartney, Mini Rodini, GC GCDS. So all these really, really nice luxury brands, but for kids. So we got here a bunch of these like Stella McCartney dresses, and this one comes with shorts already. And I got this hat to match. Kaya is too happy. We have here a mini Rudini sweater set with shorts. And then I also got her this Stella McCartney cardigan. Look at that, it's super cute. And then we also have this dress from this brand called I Mama. So I got this skirt as well, so we can put this underneath. And then we have a Moschino dress and mini Rudini set again. And then we have a GCDS romper with this GCDS hat. And this one also from a brand I can't pronounce. It's by Arsène and Le Pipelette. So is this our winning outfit, Yeye? Is this our Easter outfit? Okay, so this will be our Easter outfit for Sienna Ball. And then this is a Marc Jacobs dress with the iconic Marc Jacobs bag. Oh, yeah, since you're already here, I shopped at Healthy Options for Sienna Ball. So I got these organic chicken stock that's unsalted, so pwede for Sienna Ball. Tada! And then I also got some gluten-free pasta because I'm trying to be nice. I have pimples actually already from all the gluten that I've been eating. And then I got more chicken broth, but this time for me and Yoni. I love shopping at Healthy Options. I'm not sponsored. So. And also I got avocado spray, which is good for Sienna. Ito na, Yeye, napakamahal. I don't know if Yeye is even listening to me because she's just looking at the clothes. And then I have here arrowroot, which is a good cornstarch replacement if you're like cooking or baking. Yeye, cornstarch replacement, listen. Oh, Yeye, oh.
Talaga. Oh. Zebra.
Super cute, oh.
Lalabas kami. Punta na kayo mag-mall, ma'am. Eh, bihisan natin siya. No, ganda. Tama na yung shoes niya dito, ma'am, na tiger. White, red, blue.
Oh, siya, time to go to Bello. Pagbalik ko, nandiyan pa rin si Yeye. She's still admiring the clothes for sure. Now off to Bello to clean my face. I think it's from the stress of moving. So my face just feels so dirty and clogged. And also, all of a sudden, I have like 3 budding pimples. And I'm gonna go to Bello to have them killed. On her 3rd outfit change, I would just like to tell you. But anyway, I just found them randomly on the way back to the bazaar. They are going to visit our booth because we promised our current sales girl, Justin, who is also our first ever employee at Nordic Concept. She came to help us out. But anyway, we also promised her that she would get to see Sienna if she helps us out. So Sienna was part of the
deal
negotiation here. Moi moi. Moi moi. Sienna Bob. Moi moi. Moi moi. A flying kiss. Mwah. Flying kiss. Mwah. Moi moi. She likes the light.
Yeah, the balloons.
Go say hi.
Oh,
hello.
It's me.
Hi, Shanna. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Hello. Look who I randomly saw! And it's my first time seeing you since forever.
Baby shower.
Since my baby shower. No, girl, nakita kita sa event ni Vern.
Oo ba?
It's our first time to meet Sienna. Oo nga eh. Hindi pa tayo nagkita.
Baby shower mo ba?
Baby shower mo. Dadalhin kita. Hindi mo pa na-meet si Sienna, right?
Never pa.
Oh my God! Ang tataas ng boses natin. A flying kiss!
Bye.
Flying kiss! Mwah!
Because she's so cute.
American
I know.
Yeah! Ay, sus!
Sige na.
Ay, sus! Oh, mommy does it. Mommy will give you away. Wait lang. Oh, mommy gives.
I love na niya yung kapit na sa akin. Ganun na eh.
I'll go to the Mommy will give mommy's phone. Oh, look. Oh, there's phone. And then there's wallet also. You want to get? Oh, go. Oh, go. Yeah. Oh, look.
Oh, sabi! Ay, saka yung mukha niya. Oh.
Tita, pag yan hindi kumain.
Kumakain siya, oh.
Pag yan na-distract tapos ayaw nang kumain, lagot ka sa akin.
I got you. Oh, eat first.
Ayan na. Okay. Oh, very good.
Bigyan ka talaga niya. Ay, hindi.
Sino ka ba?
Mami na lang. Give mami. Give mama.
Doon sa kilala lang niya.
I give you.
Natuwa siya sa sarili niya.
So cute.
So I just unboxed this. This cake from Bello. Hold on, because it's their 2nd anniversary of the Bello shop. Sienna has never ever blown a candle because I forgot during her birthday. So we're gonna try with this one if she knows how. Yeye claims na she knows. Okay, time to blow. Go blow. Ay, shush, cannot touch. Look at mommy, you have to blow like this, my love. My love, look at mommy. Okay. Ay, shush, mama na. One more time, okay? Look at mommy. Look at mommy, okay? Mommy does this. You do it. Yeah. High five, mommy. High five. Yay! We've got a visitor.
Hello. No Ninong Miggy this time. It's just us. The connection is one step up.
I see.
Right. Now, look at the cam. Say yes. Yes. What?
No sense na your Nina. And we have Pat here too.
Yeah, clean the hands niya.
Ano issues?
Po.
You like the song?
Get away. No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So anyway, that's what's happening.
Sabi niya, ano to? Hello. Super bass with Ninang. This one is for the boys with the boom, it's just a tap down AC with the coolest system. When he comes up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he real, he might get a deal. He pop bottles and they got a right kind of feel. He go, he do, he might tell. He always in the air, but he never fly down. Cheer, motherfucker. Still on the one big and big.
Since my friends are already here, I'm going to end the vlog because it's gonna
B.
a chill night with the
Very
titas. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye, Cam Fam!
See you, Cam. Bye, Cam Fam.
Don't forget to like
And
subscribe and leave a comment.
Yes.
Say blow, blow.
Ready ka na ba for another fun night with your titas?
She just learned how to blow kasi.
Oo nga, nakita ko sa Instagram stories mo.
Oh, blow.